Hey, tackle traders, it is good to be back. My name is Grant Larsen. I'd like to thank the tackle trading community for another opportunity to do a stock report. So I wanted to point out, what a week. Oh my goodness, look at this. I'm looking at the SPY right here. Look, you can see I'm just going to point. This is Monday, bam, shoots up, and then whoa, what a sell-off. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, wow. And then today, boom, big bullish bounce. Holy smokes. So that's really impressive, the amount of volatility that we have going on in the market at this time. I remember when I first started taking trading lessons 5 years ago from the tackle trading team, and I remember they'd come in and they would talk about volatility, and I'd be like, yeah, so what? What's volatility? Don't you just, buy low, sell high? And then you go through those times in the market where it's just this slow plodding going up, and you're like, wow, it's hard to get a good entry. Hard for, to figure out the good pullbacks, and then, to get a good rise off it or a fall. And so when you get into these kinds of markets where things are moving with wider swings and with lots of up and down movement, what you'll see is that the opportunities, and you'll see that today, in the stock picks, you'll see as many bullish opportunities as there are bearish, and which is incredible. And one of the things that happens, though, is that when you get into these kinds of markets, I've learned you got to trade at the edge of your seat. You got to sit forward in your chair. And what I mean by that is, just as there's more opportunities to be taking profit, there is more opportunities to get whacked. And so you also need to make sure that you still have great risk management, stop management. So be careful, don't break any of those rules. This is an exciting stock report. Wow, looking forward to going through it with you. Thanks for joining, and as always, trade safe.